Welcome to today's video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make an AI sticker on Instagram chat. So if you're chatting with somebody, you can actually make AI sticker and chat with the person making use of the AI sticker. So open your Instagram application. On this top area where it has the chat icon next to the heart icon, click on the chat icon. Now go over to whichever chat you want. I just click on my name, which is Trust. Now you can notice on this area where it has the sticker icon, this particular one, just the one next to the plus, click on that sticker icon, you click on it. Now usually you can make any use of any sticker from here if you want to just use any sticker, but now if you want to use an AI sticker, you notice on top where it says AI sticker, right? This area, just click on that. So click on it, and then you can start creating any sticker you want. Now I can say a fox wearing a gas mask. Generate, wait for it, and there you go. This is the result. Not too bad. This is not bad. So cool, right? You can create something even more. Say a cat wearing bikini, right? Wait for it. Something went wrong because this is actually going to be nude. I know I'm an adult, but they removed it, no problem. Right? Yeah. Okay, so it didn't put the bikini, but now this is not exactly a corporate dress I was expecting, but then there you go. So you can create images. It's not exactly perfect, but this should be briefcase, right? Right. Okay. Yeah. The image is not exactly perfect, but it's a bit fair. So what do you guys think? This is not perfect, but considering that the AI is still new, I think it's still evolving and adopting very quick. So guys, what do you think about this AI sticker? Now, let me know what you think. I hope you don't have any issue with this, but if you have any issue, leave it on the comment and I'm going to respond to that. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and peace.